Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel, and I got one word for you today: breakfast. Most important meal of the day, right? Well, today we're not just making breakfast, but we are making a smoked breakfast skillet right here on the Pit Boss Platinum Lockhart. Can't wait to show you this super easy recipe that's going to be absolutely delicious for any time of the day, not just breakfast. We're going to do sausage, egg, cheese, hash browns, all in one just delicious mixture combination thing. So let's get started. All right, to start things off today, I've got about a pound here of fresh link pork sausage. This came from Strip District Meats, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Absolutely delicious. So I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap this, and these links are actually linked together. You can kind of see here, or like that. And the first thing I'm gonna do is actually cook these sausages on the smoker. So not gonna do any real seasoning or anything just yet. That part's gonna come later. But for now, what I am gonna do is just get these sausages onto the smoker at 350 degrees. I don't need to show you the process of putting them on, taking them off. Just suffice it to say, my smoker is rolling at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. These are gonna go on until they're cooked, then I'm gonna bring them back out and we'll take our next step.
20 minutes later.
All right, so now the sausage is done. It took it about, I don't know, 20 minutes or so at 350 degrees to cook all the way through. Now I know what you're thinking, man, that is a lot of sausage. We might not use all of it, just depends on kind of how much this yields after we chop it up. So with that, I'm actually gonna chop it up. So I'm just gonna give this sort of a rough chop. Not really looking for any sort of like symmetrical sizing or anything. I have to confess, I did taste this sausage already, and holy smokes, it's delicious. Now could you use ground sausage with this? Absolutely. In fact, traditionally, that's kind of what I've done. This time, we're just trying something a little different. It's still sausage, still gonna be delicious. Oh, I gotta get another bite. Holy smokes. Whew, so good. All right, that seems pretty good. Let's move on with our next step. All right, next, let's crack some eggs. Gonna be using 8 eggs for this recipe. 1, 2, you don't need to watch me crack all 8 eggs, right? All right, there we have it, 8 eggs. Whisk these together here. All right, to that, we're gonna add some cheese. And typically, you've heard me say, let's just shred our own cheese, but I actually found at the grocery store this cheese that actually says it's deliciously paired for eggs. So I'm just gonna use this. It'll still melt pretty easily because we're at such a high temperature inside the smoker, but yes, that's what we're gonna use. So I'm gonna use about a cup of this right into my eggs. To that, gonna add some salt, some pepper, and about 3/4 of a cup of heavy whipping cream, which just happens to be all I had left. All right, gonna mix all this together here. All right, beautiful. Next, we have my 12-inch Sam the Cooking Guy cast iron pan, and just using some butter, just gonna sort of butter this up all on the bottom and the sides. Obviously this would not be a very easy process with softened butter, so make sure your butter's nice and cold. All right, to that I'm going to add 1 bag of frozen hash browns. These are kind of semi-thawed, they're not completely frozen still. All right, there we go. Next, I'm gonna add some of that delicious sausage. Oh man, that's gonna be so good. Really wanna get that in there. Just like that. And now here's where things get ridiculous, because I'm gonna just cover this with that egg, that cheesy egg mixture. Trying to make sure that I've got most of the entire top covered here. Oh. Oh, it's gonna be so good. All right, I'm really happy with this. Let's get it onto the smoker. All right, the smoker is still set to 350 degrees. Gonna go ahead and just put this cast iron pan right on. Right there in the middle. And probably about 45 minutes or so. We'll be back and this will be pretty much done. We're just waiting for the eggs to cook, the cheese to melt, and those potatoes to be done. So probably about 45 minutes to an hour. All right, it's been about 35 minutes or so, so not quite 45, but I want to take a look at this and kind of see how we're doing. Oh man, look at that. Woo, the bubble is real. It smells great too. So I can kind of see in this area the egg is not completely cooked yet. So I think 45 minutes is going to be perfect. So we'll come back in about 10 minutes and we'll be ready to take it off. All right, friends, after 45 minutes, there we go. Oh man, the smell. Gosh, it smells so good. Wow. Oh man, just tell me you don't want some of this right now. All right, as we finish this up, just for a little bit of color, gonna add a little bit of dried parsley to the top, like so. And there you have it. Whew, man, this looks so good. Again, that sausage was already cooked. Those eggs are perfectly done in there. I can just tell by looking. We got that kind of secret bed of potatoes down at the bottom. Oh, this is gonna be great. All right, let's get a little spoonful of this here. Oh, look at those eggs, perfect. Right in there. I mean, look at that. Look how good that looks. Oh man, it's gonna be so good. All right, it is time to try this smoked breakfast skillet. Oh, I can't wait. Got some of the potatoes, the sausage, the egg, the cheese. Oh, my mouth is watering. It's gonna be great. Here we go. Oh man, holy smokes. Yep, that is good. Those potatoes give such an interesting texture to it. We got the perfect cook on those potatoes. The eggs, nice and fluffy. The cheese, melted. So good. You know, I know during this time of year, in various parts of the country, you might find yourself like out in the woods or at a camp or something. This is a super easy, just rustic dish to throw together. You can use whatever kind of meat you want. If you want to use some chorizo for a little bit of spice, if you're maybe hunting, you want to use some deer sausage, you can do that. You can use the links like I did. You can use it ground, any way you want to do it. This is next level delicious. Well, I'm gonna get this inside so that the family can enjoy it. But hey, thank you once again for tuning in to the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel. If you like this video, make sure that you click that little thumbs up button to give us a like. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. And hey, I love cooking in cast iron on the smoker, so check out one of these other videos where we've done some stuff in some cast iron pans on the smoker, all delicious, all outdoors, and I'll see you next time.